Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Day Trading Futures with JD, and I'm JD. So I wanted to, if you haven't heard yet, I wanted to give you an update on Apex Trader Funding. Obviously they have really stepped up their game with being competitive, possibly even the leader in prop firms, in my opinion. The things that they offer, not many other places offer now, and it's just remarkable what they're doing with their business. Dell and his crew, man, I tell you, they have really, and they're constantly, they're just constantly throwing value to their customers. Currently, as of time of this recording, it is, which is June 30th of 2023. They're holding a 4th of July sale. 90% off all evaluation sizes. Then after the first month, it'll be 80% recurring until the end of July 6th at 11:59 Eastern Time. So you still have some time to take advantage of that 90% off and then 80% reoccurring. And of course, here's some highlighted overview of some of the advantages of using and going through Apex Trader Funding. So here we get 100%. They've upped it, recently. 100% of the first $25,000 per account, and then after that, it's 90%. I know at one time it used not to be that much. It was 100%, I think, in the first 10,000 or something like that, but they've really upped to that. Plus, with 2 payouts per month, which is new. It's over the last, I would say, the last couple of months they've added that. You can actually qualify in 7 days instead of many of the other prop firms making your qualification last until 10 days. And then I think one of the biggest changes, which is one of the reasons why I left 6-8 months ago, was you can now trade with online with TradingView. That's been one of the you can either use Rhythmic or TradingView. Obviously I've never been a big fan of TradingView. I'm sorry, I've never been a big fan of Rhythmic, just because you have to have a Windows unit, and you also have to their software, their connection's real jinky. So I've always enjoyed trading on TradingView. And then here's the price lines when you scroll all the way down. TradingView or Trade-of-8, whatever. Obviously Trade-of-8 owns TradingView now. So anyway, check this out. You're going to be able to, when you use my link below and you click on actually, let me do that. Why don't I use my link and we can get the real prices for everyone. I think that would be the recommended way of doing this. That way you see real numbers here and how much that 90% actually saves us. One moment, let me pull up my link here. All right, guys. So I tried to, apparently there was a problem with my link. I apologize for that. So once you log in, once you click on any of these plans and you scroll down, when you go here to the coupon code, type in save 90, right? Now when you go through here, you have to accept all of these other terms. Once you do that, hit next, and boom, look at that. We are saving on the $150,000 Trade-of-8. Instead of paying $317, we are only paying with tax $34. That's amazing. So go ahead and click the link below, and remember, save 90. All right, good luck. And as always, thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing.